Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel Mona's Beauty Reviews. So today I am going to talk about a relatively new launch from Lakme. This is the lipstick and the range is called as Lakme Extraordinary Lip Mousse, and this is a showstopper collection, and I have got only one shade from this range and the shade is called as 207 Perfect Match Pink. So I thought of doing a short, but then I thought that short is not enough to give a proper description about the lipstick. That's why I'm doing this video. So this one retails for rupees 700, but I got it at 50% off from Myntra, and I was very wow about it, that how come a new product is coming at such a great sale. Anyways, so this is what the outer packaging looks like. It actually looks like very classy, and black and gold is definitely outstanding. Already looks very beautiful, and this is what the shade color looks like. So these are color coordinated, and you will see the shade number over here. As I said, mine is 207, and this is what the lipstick looks like. The packaging is very gorgeous. I love this thing that is going on over here, the heart shape prints, and Lakme is mentioned here, and this is the transparent glass, so you can clearly see the color. The packaging is really good, and it comes with a duo foot applicator like any other liquid lipstick. There's nothing extraordinary about it. This is the duo foot applicator. You can draw your lip lines very nicely with this applicator. Now this is not a typical liquid lipstick. This is a mousse. If you have tried the NYX soft lip creams or the Miss Claire soft lip creams, which were very popular about I think 6-7 years back, around 2015 2016, those were very popular in the market, and everybody was raving about those products. And I personally also had so many Miss Claire lip creams around those time. These are very soft, these are non-drying, but if you compare with a liquid lipstick, this is a mousse. This one is much more non-drying, and it is very soft on the lips, but at the same time it is not as opaque as a liquid lipstick. So you need to swipe multiple times to cover your lips really nicely. This is something that I did not really like about this product. At one go it will not have 100% coverage on your lips. You need to kind of swipe it 3 to 4 times to give the perfect opaqueness to your lips. And also I felt that this lipsticks kind of cracks. If you by mistake also touch your upper lip with your lower lip, or if you kind of try to build up the color more, it starts cracking. I don't know about other shades, but this particular shade, that is Perfect Match Pink, of becoming messy and clumsy, which I did not like. So you have to be very careful. You cannot build too much of layers also on it. And also when you are touching up, this does not survive lunch and dinners. If you're having something oily, it will definitely fade away. But if you try to again retouch your lipstick, it becomes clumsy. So this is a fact that I did not like about this lipstick. Otherwise, there are a lot of beautiful shades in this range, and these are kind of comfortable on the lips. You can wear it throughout the day. I am a person, I am not comfortable wearing any liquid lipstick throughout the day, because I think after 5-6 hours my lips craves for moisturizer if I'm wearing liquid lipsticks. But in this case it is not the same. But you have to be very careful about one thing, that if you are touching up, remove the entire lipstick. These lipsticks are very easy to remove also. So take a tissue, damp it with water, and kind of remove the entire lipstick, and then reapply. In that way it will not become clumsy, or it will not kind of crack. So this particular shade, that is Perfect Match Pink, is the shade that I'm wearing today. This is the shade. I will swatch it on my hand as well. I'll do it over here so that you can have a better kind of idea. Also, you can see where I am swatching this. It is not very much opaque. I hope you understand. I have to do multiple swipes to get this color. If I do a single swipe, it is not opaque, it's kind of breaking from here. So the same thing happens on the lips. If you do a single swipe like this, it kinds of breaks in between. It is not like, you know, the other liquid lipsticks which are opaque. This is the shade. It is a very pretty bubblegummy pink shade, and it will look beautiful on fair skin tone mainly, but also medium skin tone can pull this well. Even deeper skin tone can pull them, but it will look much more pinkish on them. And this lipsticks have a very typical bubblegummy mixed with vanilla kind of a fragrance. So I saw there are multiple colors available in this range, but I just bought only one color because I have lots of lipsticks, and I just mainly bought it to try the range out. And I don't think that I am buying any more lipstick from this range because I am not very much impressed with it. I would say, because I did not like the fact that it is 100% opaque, and as I said, sometimes it becomes messy or clumsy on the lips that I don't like. But if you're looking for a new lipsticks, you can try this. Definitely try to get this in discount. I have seen a lot of platforms giving these lipsticks on discount, but coming to the packaging, it is really gorgeous. I am very impressed with the packaging. So that's it about this Lakme new launch, the Lakme Extraordinary Lip Mousse. Thank you for watching my channel. If you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video in particular. Thank you.